Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Limited, and this one is in Stardust Silver and Autumn Sunset with Dragon Tail graphics. This bike is absolutely beautiful. We have dual disc braking up in the front. This bike also has ABS. We've got the lowers that have the engine guards in them, and the front guards also have the highway pegs that you can fold down and stretch out while riding. We've got the engine guards in the rear as well. We have a heel toe shifter for the rider, and we also have passenger floorboards. We've got a lot of cool electronics on this bike. Passenger backrest is extremely comfortable, and it has the built-in Harley speakers as well. We've got that up in the front too. Beautiful chrome detailing, nice tall windshield, and a beautiful dash all in that Stardust Silver. We have locking saddlebags and tour pack. We also have the additional luggage rack on the tour pack as well. And all of this is on top of the 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle engine. Again, 2014 Harley-Davidson CVO Limited. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.